And let's do it, the second job of the day as we head over to Ivoryton. Again, this is a repeat customer. We've done some tree work here in the past, and this customer had us come back for this branch that broke out of the tree here. Today we're going to be working in a pretty tight area. As you can see that the truck is parked in the grass between the fence and the garage. So most of the shots are going to come from Derek's GoPro. You can see here what Derek is doing first is cutting the branches off of the tree so he can get to the trunk. Ropes are going to be critical today. Cutting the tops half of these trees down in such a small area, they could land anywhere. We don't want to hit the fence, and we sure don't want to hit the garage either. Communication on a job like this is critical. Talking to each other through the helmets so everybody knows exactly what is going on is the only way to do it.
I'm gonna need a longer strap.
You can see piece by piece we take this tree down nice and safely. Here you can see Josh is cutting the trunk of the tree, and on the other end, Eric has it hooked up to the dingo, ready to give it a pull. We chunked up this tree nicely, got it in the back of the truck, and took it away. Another satisfied customer from Middlesex Tree.